The problem with steel coils is they're big, heavy and difficult to move around. Tackling these problems has seen the development of some very unsatisfactory solutions. And for years, industry has been looking for an answer to the handling and packaging problems. KC Metal Products and BHP Steel took a fresh look at this challenge. How could they ensure more coils would reach their customers in better condition? Even better, every coil reaching the customer in the same condition it left the manufacturer. Welcome to the roller coaster ride of modern stretch wrap technology.
Okay, roll the drums.
Plastic has been protecting the things we consume since the 60s. It was sold to us as a way of protecting freshness. We could see what was inside, it was easy to use, and these days we can even recycle it. Steel and aluminium manufacturers have a product that needs protection. The usual methods of packaging coils were expensive, slow, caused occasional injuries, and did little to protect the client's product. Coils would arrive with machinery damage, corrosion and staining. So BHP and KC Metal Products worked together to combine the protective properties of plastic with a design that would wrap coils quickly and safely and protect every surface of your valuable product. Early research and development in the late 80s led to the first prototype of a stretch wrapping machine. The aim was to find a way of covering every surface of a coil whilst protecting the integrity of the product. Development and testing continued, and within 2 years the first Coilmaster went into service. It used the most recent innovations in microchip technology in conjunction with high-performance VCI stretch wrapping films to deliver real advances in safety, cost and productivity. Today's Coilmaster is even better after continual improvements in conjunction with people that use the machinery every day.
From our first model, we've designed it and worked with it with the operator's involvement. I think we've improved it now to a very reliable piece of equipment that performs the job very well.
Anyone can operate the Coilmaster. All the guesswork is gone. Minimal training will provide operators with all the skills needed to turn an unprotected coil into a travel-ready product. Basic keyboard operations keep the operator in contact with the Coilmaster's advanced built-in self-diagnostics. The monitor provides instant feedback of all machine operations, ensuring safety and accuracy.
Before we had a stretch wrapper, we'd wrap everything in steel and continually cut ourselves. Then it was manual stretch wrapping with walking around and around the coil. Now it's as easy as pushing a button.
Behind the scenes, the Coilmaster hides 21st century electronics. Every coil is individually scanned for accurate measurement. This information is processed instantly and wrapping can start with the push of a button. No rulers, no writing down pages of numbers. Coilmaster does it all for you.
Well, by automating it totally, we've been able to control the pack types. They flow through picked up from the barcodes, so the machine knows, the packers know what type, what components they've got to put on, what protection has got to be offered to the pack, so the customers get the right protection for the right product.
Coilmaster is not just a revolutionary stretch wrapping machine, it's a complete packaging system. The pack components are custom made to your specifications from locally available packaging materials. They can be produced by individual self-contained machines or completely integrated into the Coilmaster computer control system. Fluted polypropylene board is already established as a durable, chemically inert product that can withstand impact, abrasion and temperature extremes without structural failure. This material is used as protective donut-shaped discs at each end of the coil. It can also be used as tubular bore sleeves or protective outer body wraps. Depending on your local supply, other materials can be used to tailor the package to your needs, or more importantly, the customers. There's also a variety of products to protect the vulnerable inner and outer coil edges. And depending on what you use, all packing accessories should be fully recycled, reused or returned.
Well, with our installation of our new stretch wrapping machines, we have much better coil identification, a lot less coil damage through a lot less forklift movement, and everybody in the place is happy, including truck drivers, dispatchers and packers.
No two packaging lines are the same, so Coilmaster can be configured to meet your specific situation. A floor, rail-mounted Coilmaster provides mobile versatility and an expandable alternative. And for larger, high-production mills, a fully automated 3-axis machine can be installed over existing coil conveying systems. Depending on the size of the coil, wrapping takes less than 2 minutes. This complete coil wrapping package also helps with storage without having to change your warehousing procedures. And just because your coils look like they've been wrapped in cling wrap doesn't mean you have to give them special treatment. The protective wrapping is durable and will take most day-to-day handling treatment whilst protecting your investment. And by using modern vapour corrosion inhibiting stretch films, damage by moisture becomes a thing of the past. Coils remain sealed until they're needed, and the packaging also protects the coil against mandrel damage. And when coils reach the end of their journey, they can be unloaded using traditional handling methods.
The new packing system is better because it offers rust protection and it minimises coil damage. It's better for the customer because the steel comes in a better form.
When it's time to remove the protective covering, a simple knife helps remove all pack components. It's as easy as unwrapping a Christmas present. The Coilmaster will pack any coil from 1 to 30 tonne, and the savings start from your first day of operation. The coils are sealed and protected. The system can integrate into your existing packaging line, and your staff work in a safer environment.
Our operators prefer using these machines because it's taken all the mundane tasks out of packaging. It's offered them new challenges. We're presenting coils to our customers in a far better condition. They're rust-free, damage-free, and all in all, our production is up.
So the pack arrives looking differently. The contents of the pack are invariably in much better condition than they used to be, and the customers are getting much better yields from their coils than they traditionally had. And these are quantifiable. Customers are seeing that and reporting that.
In addition to all the advantages of using Coilmaster, the system is also extremely cost effective with the initial installation, running and maintenance. Take a look at how you currently package your coils and then compare it with the savings and flexibility of Coilmaster's advanced packaging system.
The Coilmaster is a technology that is so simple it defies logic why nobody hasn't done it before. It's as simple as that.